Hey, so in this video we are going to make this
After you
particular
log
video.
in into your account on the AIMagicStudio, if you go on the simple campaign, so you will see
We are going to make this plain video like this.
after you log into your account on the AIMagicStudio, if you go on
So this is called the feature in AIMagicStudio is auto caption. Let us see how we can make the video like this. Okay, so I'm just closing this, and in the simple campaign section just provide the reference name for the video as auto caption 1 and click the content type as auto caption and upload your plain video. So it will take a few moments to upload. So once it gets uploaded, simple, just click the submit. So now the AIMagicStudio will get started its magic to add the subtitles with elegant style on the plain video to make it as a readable video. It will take few moments. Let's wait for that. So now our videos gets ready. If I play this video, you can see
after you log into your account on the AIMagicStudio.
So the subtitle has ordered automatically, but the placement of the subtitle is not in up to the mark. So I just wanted to change this in the layout section. I'm choosing overlay bottom, so it will come in bottom, and also I just wanted to change the font as Sajala 1, and I'm not like the color, so I'm just go here and change the color as this. Yeah, it's good. And the highlight color, I just wanted to make it this one. Let's play it.
If you go on the simple campaign, so you will see that list of the simple campaigns
It's
like
good.
this.
So now I just wanted to download this video, so just make sure you save this your changes and click the preview. In this preview, by default the video will play with the default background music. If you want to have that music or simply remove that music, in my case I don't want that music, so I simply click the remove music button, so that music will remove.
Log into your account on
right. So now I simply click render, so then video it gets rendered. It will take a few moments. So once video gets rendered, I can able to download the video. So the video it's finished, it's rendered. So now I can simply download this video into my local machine. So that's it for this video. I will see you in my next video.